What's up, you guys? My name is Justin, Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're going to be doing a concrete cleaning on some concrete behind me. We are actually in a new construction neighborhood. Billy's got a really good video on how to get jobs in new neighborhoods. But anyway, I got this one off a Facebook ad. Apparently, they're going to be doing a little get-together. They want the driveway cleaned as well as the back patio cleaned just before, they do a little get-together. It is a new property. There's a couple little dirt stains on the driveway just because, driving through here, there's going to be some dirt. So anyway, this is a little bit of ASAP work right here. They wanted to get it done before the weekend, so we got a little bit higher of a price on this one, believe it or not. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all the equipment out of the back of the truck and we'll get started washing it.
What's going on, everybody? Commentator Justin checking in for this one. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a new construction concrete cleaning. As I mentioned previously in the video, we're going to be cleaning the driveway as well as some concrete on the back patio, as well as the vinyl siding on the back patio. It's not extremely dirty because, as I mentioned, this is new construction. However, they do live next to a wooded area, so for whatever reason, they just got some stuff that needs to be knocked down back there, and I don't mind doing it. So I actually landed this job through a Facebook advertisement, and whenever these people converted on a Facebook ad, they said, hey Justin, we have some work that needs to be done. We need it done before the weekend because we are having a party this weekend. So anytime that someone messages me with any sort of time frame, it's going to be extra money. Even if I'm not booked out for the week, I'll just say, hey, look, my schedule's booked out at least 1 to 2 weeks in advance. If you guys do need something done, I can make some room in my schedule for you. However, it is going to be at an additional cost. So anytime someone presents me with the time frame that I need to act within, it is going to be an additional cost to them. So they agreed to the cost. We came out, we did the job. It was relatively easy, relatively straightforward, and I'm actually going to be trying to upsell them on possibly sealing this driveway. I had a company send me a free bottle of sealer, so I want to give that a try. I think I'm going to go ahead and give them a good price on it and make it worth their while, so that way we can seal it. I can make a video on it, and then I can start running some video ads depending on how much I like sealing driveways, basically. But I don't want to let this company's bottle go to waste, and I think it could be a great service to add on to any pressure washing business. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that way you can stay updated on if we do land this job to seal the driveway. And if we do, I'll make a whole video on how I did it, how long it took me, whether or not I'm going to continue to do it, that whole deal. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. With that being said, if you guys are curious about any of the equipment that I will be using in this video, it will be linked in the description, as well as I have a few other things in the description. Firstly, I have a free trial to a CRM that I'm currently using. Helps me to keep up with customers, collect payments, and send invoices. It's a 2-week free trial, so check that out down below. As well as I recently partnered with an insurance company, so if you are looking to get a quote for your business, or if you want to see if you can get a better rate than what you're currently getting, there will be an insurance link down there below. You just fill it out. It's free to fill out. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and you might be able to get a better quote and save some money on insurance. So with that out of the way, if you guys need any of those things, check the description and comment section below. Those resources will be down there for you. So I didn't use the service cleaner on this job specifically because on new concrete, you will etch it if you put too much pressure on it. I started off with the service cleaner just to test it. However, I just didn't feel comfortable or safe using that surface cleaner on this concrete. So we used the wand. It was pretty much a lot of surface level dirt anyway, so I was able to clean the entire thing, go over it a few times. Not a big deal with the wand. This job did not take long at all, and we made some good money on it. So that's what it's all about. Just make sure if you're ever doing new concrete, I would not put the surface cleaner on it because it's just going to be too much PSI, and you can etch it, like I said. And when you damage that concrete, I don't even know what you have to do. You might have to buy them some new concrete or something. That wouldn't be fun to do. So just be sure that you're using good precautionary measures. Anyway, in other news, I also will be bringing back the flip series on my channel. So if you guys do like those car flipping videos that I used to put up a lot, we actually have 2 trucks that we're going to be flipping. So you can look forward to that if you're interested in the car flipping series. I got a couple other jobs that I will be posting videos on coming up here shortly because I'm running out of space on my SD card. I'm just doing a whole bunch right now. But anyway, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the channel, and I'm going to turn it back over to myself here.
All right, you guys, just went ahead and finished this one up. Real quick job. Just really washed it down. Looks good. Hit the backside a little bit as well. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Leave me something down in the comment section if you made it this far in the video. Comment new construction, and I will hashtag you a real one. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.
smashing through. Hip hop mentality, I stashed the loot.